everyone, today I will introduce the hot side product from our company to you. And the material is ABS and a toughened glass. The product name is JD-T100 and this is 100 watt solar light. And the LED lamp have the 130 pieces and the type is 2835 SMD. And the temperature of the cold light is 3000 K to 6500 K. And the solar panels is 6 volt and 10 watts polycrystalline. And the battery type is lithium-ion 3.2 volt and 6.5 ampere hours. And the charging time is 4 to 6 hours, and then the working time can keep 10 to 15 hours.